Welcome back to another video. Today we have the buy one get one free, basically a free tool or a discounted price from DeWalt. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so you can buy more tools like this. Make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. So yeah, this is pretty much like an extended version, or because in the holiday season we were not able to do some of these deals, but now they seem to just choose your own tool or whatever you want to get. So this is the deal we have. So you go here to the homedepot.com. In the search section, just put DeWalt battery and then just run down to where it says free free tool here with the little square, the yellow square, and then it's a 6 amp hour and a 4 amp hour battery kit for $199. So definitely choose this. This is the item that's gonna get you the free tool. So you go down here, it says gift savings there. And these are all the tools that you can choose from. You can choose from a 5 amp hour battery, sander, a 5-inch sander. It is a brushless sander. You got the 3/8 impact wrench, or you got the drywall screw gun, which is a great screw gun. You got the angle grinder. You got the 6.5 circular saw, task light, atomic 20-volt max oscillating tool, a reciprocating saw, a max XR jig, and a blower, and a router. So definitely the router, blower, and the jigsaw are going to be one of the better ones to get. And the sander's really nice, a nice sander there. So I would say these bottom ones are the best ones to get. It just depends on what tools that you need. So you basically go down here, you're going to pay the $199 basically for a free tool and this deal. Let's see here, you can click on that, or you can click on the 12 items you can get. So here's the items you can get, and here's the prices. So obviously the higher the price, the more you're going to get for your money. So if you get this circular, says $169, obviously this 3/8 is more expensive, so I would definitely go for something like that. Or the jigsaw. Yeah, the jigsaw or the router, definitely the better bang for your buck. So we're just going to choose this jigsaw here. Add both to cart. So right off the bat, we're gonna get this for $99.50. So that's a smoking deal, guys. If you're gonna get this for regular price $199, it's gonna drop down to $50 or 50%. So it's gonna drop down to $99.50. Even at this 6 amp hour and a 4 amp hour, that's a really great deal at $99.50. You're gonna get a charger and a bag. So this is for $200. This is a great deal. As you guys see, and the reason why I have 500 is because I have other stuff. I just made the Milwaukee video right now, so we're just gonna go ahead and remove that and remove that. And you guys feel free to either just pretty much return one or return the other. Some people do, some people don't. On this one, it does have store pickup only. Ship to, it doesn't have a ship to home, so you have to pick it up at a store. So it just depends on your area. If you want to have one of these shipped to your house and another one to the store, just pick up the tool at the store and cancel the other one, however you want to do it. However you want to handle that part. But you pretty much check out, and there you go. I'm gonna see if I can add another different tool so you guys could see the difference on the price. I'm gonna go back to I'm gonna choose a cheaper tool. I'm gonna choose this blower, and you guys will see the price difference. So here we go. $149 regular price. You're gonna get this for $85.20 for a 400 CFM blower. It's a great deal, smoking deal. And if you guys did see, this did go up because the tool is cheaper. So obviously, if you want to get this cheaper, you got to get one of the $200 tools to make that cheaper. Anyways, just thought I want to share this with you guys. These deals are still up. You guys can still get these deals, these DeWalt deals, awesome deals. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one.